Okay, here is a brand new Lennox ML14KC1 unit. Currently not running. It is a 2-ton from 2025. It's a huge 2-ton. It's a really big 2-ton. And I think it has a couple-inch scroll compressor. Nice. And this has R454B, I think. Yeah, it's got R454B. Nice. This is a A2L unit. Nice. Yeah, this is a huge 2-ton compared to some of the other newer Lennox units here. This is at the complex in Iowa City that I filmed at lots of times. And then here's another brand new Lennox unit. This one's a 2-ton from 2025, same as that one there. Also has a couple-inch scroll compressor, I think. And this one actually has a US Motors fan motor. That one there had a interlink motor, I think. But yeah, these are located at the apartment complex I filmed at lots of times here in Iowa City. This place I haven't filmed in a while. None of the units here are running right now. But yeah, just trying to get a quick video of these two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.